Alrighty, welcome to Australia. I've identified a new need for a seat, so let's make a seat. What I'm looking for is a big healthy chunk of wood. Something like that might be on the ground, square off one end, happy days. But do you notice something around here? Everything's dead. So it's not the grass's fault. I don't know everything, but I reckon this could be a bit of dieback. I'm on private property. Mate, everything's just dead. So, long story short, found a new need, got to think of an alternative. Might be coming up with something a bit dodgy in a minute, so check out that next video. But in general, it's just crispy, things are dead. It's not Australia's fault. You know what? We're outdoors, we're having fun.